You are watching T to the M to the IDD.
What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? T to the M to the IDD. I am here in Marrakesh, Morocco with Miss Kiki Daniels Kiss. Now, I'm going to put that in the bottom left-hand corner. Make sure you go show her some love. Follow her, like. This segment is going to be natty with a baddie, and that is natural light with a baddie. You know? All right, so we're going to just use natural light, Nikon Z7II. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay.
Do it.
Let's do it. What is going on, guys? Before we get into this video, I wanted to take a second and let you know that today's audio is brought to you by Full Aim. Audio is one of the things that is very important to any video. Before you leave a video with a bad video feed, you will probably click off a video for having terrible audio. So here we have the Full Aim product, and I just want to give you a few details about what actually comes with the Full Aim 1000 Pro. So in this Full Aim 1000 Pro, we get 2 transmitters, 1 receiver, 1 storage box, 1 storage bag, 2 lavalier microphones, Type-C OTG audio cable, as well as an iPhone type camera audio cable, Type-C recharging cable, and 2 furry windscreen. One of the great things about this system to me is the operating time. You get 7 hours of operating time on one single charge. And with the magnificent storage case, you are able to charge the system 2 additional times, which allows you to get roughly 21 hours of operating time overall. And in terms of distance, you get 150 meters of distance from the receiver to the transmitter. So no matter what you're doing, it should be able to handle the job. Now, before we get into the different modes that this microphone system has, let's take a second to appreciate the sound quality that we are getting right now. What I'm going to do is let you hear the audio straight from my camera, and then we're going to go back onto this wireless microphone system. Okay, this is the audio coming straight out of the camera. Maybe you can hear the fan from this key light ahead of me. Maybe you can hear my computer running in the back of me. You may be even able to hear some other ambient noise. Now, let's go back to the microphone. And we are back. This is the wireless microphone's audio. I hope we can all appreciate how important audio actually is for video. Now, when it comes to the different modes that this wireless microphone has, it has 3 different modes that comes along with 3 different sound effects. Now, the 3 different modes, you have the first mode, which is mixed audio output, and that is having band 1 and band 2 mixed on the left and right channels. The second mode is stereo mode, and you have band 1 on the left channel and you have band 2 on the right channel. The last mode is a safe track mode, which is probably one of the greatest modes on this system, in my opinion. And that allows you to have the mixed audio output, but you have the left track and the right track. Now on the right track, you are going to have a reduced audio by -6 dB. And that allows you to recover your audio if your audio is peaking on the left track. So safe track mode is a great mode, is one of the modes that I like to use. Now, when it comes to the effects mode, you have 3 effects modes, and those effect modes is, the first one is low cut. And that low cut really brings and improvises on the vocals of the person using the microphone. The second one is DSP, which is digital signal processing, and that helps eliminate any ambient noises. So me, I'm an on-location photographer, so one of the things I would like to do is eliminate some of the noise that is outside. I might be near cars, I might be near animals, and if I can cut that down, that will really allow my audience to enjoy the experience of the actual photo shoot and hear what I'm saying, to be able to learn a particular technique. Now, the last mode is actually KTV mode, which is an echo mode, and is mostly used for singing, things of that nature. If you think about karaoke, how it kind of has that echo. So those are all the technical specs. This comes in at a price of about $209 right now. Me, I like to get out and show you what this wireless microphone can do out in the field with real world situations. So let's go ahead and jump back into this behind the scenes photo shoot in Marrakesh, Morocco. Peace. I can get you kind of right here. Yeah. Yeah, that's perfect. Oh, that is amazing. Perfect. I love that. Yep. And put your chin up for me. Perfect. Oh yeah, I love that. That sun right there. Oh my goodness. Perfect. Perfect. Perfect too. Oh, that's fire. I like that. Perfect. 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 Stop right there. Boom. Hand on the hip and raise your chin. Look off for me. Oh, that's it right there. Oh, hold that right there. Oh my goodness. Yes. Hold that right there. Yep, that is phenomenal. I'm just trying to make sure I'm out of your shadow. Okay, 1, 2, 3, let's go. Gorgeous. Perfect. Perfect. You can keep going. And you can give me like a, and you can look over your shoulder a little bit if you want. All right, and let me actually get this side. I can get some greenery on that angle. All right, 1, 2, 3, go. Perfect. Yes, gorgeous. Perfect. Yeah, I like that. 1, 2. Yep. I'm trying to watch my shadow. 1, 2. I gotta go this way. like that. I like that. That's beautiful. Oh yeah, hold that. Lean over and like prop right there.
Which, like?
Yeah, if you sit right here.
Yeah.
And like lean a hand right there. Yeah, and kind of, exactly. I like that though. Yeah, I like that. Yep. Let's see if I can I? 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay, so we just finished Natty with a Baddie. Did you like that natural light? Like
I did.
It was looking very good, right? Right? It's like she came bringing everything to the table. The natural light came to help us, which is still kind of it's about to go behind the trees, but we were able to utilize it, and we picked a few different places like really quick. So that worked out really well. Anything you want to say?
Had a great shoot.
Great shoot. Okay. And make sure you follow her. I'm going to put it in the bottom left hand corner. T to the M to the IDD. Peace. What is going on, guys? You just tuned in to T to the M to the IDD. And if you enjoy this content, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you really enjoy the content, check out some more of the video that you see right here. Oh yeah, and hit that like button for me.